OPPO is the headline partner to Global Design Forum as part of London Design Festival. So we're here today at OPPO's immersive installation, Essence of Discovery. This exhibition uses the power of art and design to allow people to experience the beauty and pleasure of technology. Pioneered by OPPO London Design Centre, allowing visitors to discover through unique experiences how the physical and digital can work in harmony to improve our daily lives.
OPPO are a very interesting company for us because they're committed to creativity, excellence and technology. We've partnered them with Kengo Kuma, who's done a wonderful project in the courtyard garden of the V&A.
To partner with Kengo Kuma felt like a really natural decision for us. When we look at the design and philosophy that drives Kengo Kuma's work and design, a harmony between technology, nature and well-being. And for OPPO, we are trying to make our users to bring the technology and art together and nature, and in a way that creates empathy.
OPPO is always thinking about total environment. For designers, we should think about the total environment and people. And we shouldn't be separate those things. We should tie those things together, and then ring is a best symbol to show our philosophy. I want to combine the waters and the weaving material, see the movement of wind and movement of light. And if we can find a way to make those things together, integrated, people will feel that is life, that is nature.
There's an ambition that we both want to make technology products more human and more natural.